Good evening, my dear YouTube viewers. Today we will switch over to the empirical approach. Earlier days, the social scientists followed the empirical approach without empiricism. Why? Because they do not accept theories of premises of the empiricism. Premises is nothing but the evidence for the theory. Some evidence is required if you want to show some evidence means facts are required to form the theory. And also they do not want to support the doctrine. Doctrine is nothing but belief about the concepts or the ideas. One should have the belief about the concepts or the group of ideas. In earlier days, the scientists used it to collect the data in a crude form like traveler's note, letters, written documents, monographs, missionaries, administrative personnel. Okay, after getting the data, the people used the logical analysis, apply the logical analysis. Then finally they draw the facts. By this it is not completed. It should be finally judged by the armchair personality or armchair scholar who is the expert of that area, that is in that subject. In later, when the new modern scientific techniques started, then it is easy for us to do any research activity. Then, Emile Durkheim has written a book, The Rules of Sociological Method. It is meant for the research scholars. When the research scholars or the scientist wants to do the field research, they should not forget about the rules of the methodology. We should always keep in mind. Why? Because it was structured. Then Descartes also written a book, Meditation on First Philosophy. Here, the scientist can also apply the new modern technique, which is very simple and easy in order to get the facts. When the research scholar was involved in interaction with that respondent, he should be active, alert, consciousness, he should have awareness about the subject matter, but he should not be away from the objective of the study and the process of understanding. Once again we will review. In earlier days, the scientists followed the empirical approach without empiricism. Why? Because they do not want to accept theories, premises of empiricism, and also they do not want to support the doctrine. Doctrine means belief about a group of facts, a set of belief for the facts. In earlier days, the scientists got the collective data through traveler's note, letters, written documents, missionaries, administrative personnel. After getting and pull the data, they want to apply the logical reasoning and logical analysis. Then finally we draw some facts. By that it is not completed. Then it is also judged by the expertise. What we call it as armchair scholar. That is a connoisseur or expert in the particular subject. Later period, the new scientific research techniques developed then it is easy for the coming scholars to do the research activity. Next, the Emil Durkheim has written a book, The Rules of Sociological Method. When the scientist wants to do the research, he should not forget the rules. It should be always in his mind when he was involved in that research activity. Then, the Descartes also written a book, that is Meditation on First Philosophy, where the scientist can apply the modern research technique, which is very easy and simple in order to get the facts. But when the researcher is involved in that research activity, he should be active, alert, consciousness and awareness in and around. But he should not far away from the objective of the study and the process of understanding what respondent will say. By this, today's lecture is completed. Please try to do the subscribe, if possible, like also. This is Bindu taking leave from the YouTube platform.